Hello everyone, Namaste. Great Namaste to all of you. Welcome to Do It Yoga session. I am Pradeep itself here and very warm welcome to all of you. Without wasting any time, start today's yogic practice with me. So found a mat and peaceful place and join me. Take Chin Mudra on your knee. Gently close your eyes. Make sure your spine, your neck and your head should be aligned. Keep a smile on your face and gently close your eyes. Observe your breathe. Deep and slow breathe in. More and more slow and complete breathe out. Take some couple of breathe in this way. Now take deep breath in and start 3 Omkara Pradodhvani. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Relax your mind. Relax yourself. Feel this positive environment. Throw out all the thoughts from your mind. Remember your supreme power and say thanks to God for this beautiful day. Now join your palms and slowly rub your palm. Cup your eyes. Feel this warmth on your eyes, on your forehead, and very slowly bring your palms down, chin to the collarbone, and gently open your eyes. Look at your palms. Namaste. Welcome to Do It Yoga session, and you know I am Pradeep here. So now start some stretchings. Sit in cross leg pose. Make sure your spine should be straight. And now take deep breath in. While inhale, reach your arms up and join your palms in Namaskara. And gently close your eyes. For a few seconds, observe your breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now gently open your eyes, interlace your finger, palm facing up. Stretch your palms up more and more. Take deep breath in, chin up, and look your palms. Here take Mula Bandha, push your genital in, especially your rectum area in, and hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, look front while exhaling, hands down. Okay, now start side bending. Now inhale, place your left palm left side and reach your right hand up. Inhale and exhale, bend left side completely. Keep breathing and hold. Make sure your above arm should be closer to your ear, palm facing downward, and feel the stretch on your lateral abdomen and on your armpit. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very slowly inhale, moving center, then exhale, right palm down, inhale, then left palm up, and exhale, bend right side and hold. Make sure your both knees should be down. Feel the stretch on your lateral abdomen. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, moving center, hands down, release. Now the same flow. Go fast with same flow. Inhale in center and exhale, bend both sides. On counting, inhale and exhale. 1. Inhale, moving center, exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5. With breathing, keep continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Now complete, release and relax. Now start Kundalini movement. Enjoy this movement. Inhale and exhale, lean forward. And now with breathing start Kundalini movement, waist rotation. Inhale, move your waist upward to downward. While exhaling, move down. And while inhale, move upward. With breathing, keep continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now start anti-clockwise. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Again and again. 2 more. Now complete and release. Okay, now next one is the side twisting. Place your right palm on your left knee and take your left hand back closer to your sit bone. Sit properly on your mat and place your left palm behind your sit bone and right palm on your knee. Inhale, while exhaling, twist back. Make sure your spine should be straight and look back. Good. Inhale, move in center, change your hands. Exhale, bend another side. The spine is straight. Inhale, move in center, then exhale, another side bend. Inhale, move in center, twist another side. Now inhale, release and relax. Okay, we are ready for today's session. Stretching portion is done and now start warm up. Hey, now ready for flow sequence of Guru Namaskara. So please stand up on back of your mat. Place your palms beside your thigh. Take deep breath in, roll your shoulder back, then exhale, release your shoulder down and raise your sternum up here. Take Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest and gently close your eyes. Take deep breath in and start one Omkara Pradodhvani. Gently open your eyes and palms down. Now start Guru Namaskar flow. Inhale, take your right leg front and push your hip down and make fist, thumb in, make fist and push your shoulder down. Keep breathing, look front, little bit chin up, make a smile on your face and hold. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take Namaskar Mudra. Breathe should be normal. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Hold this pose only. Anjani Namaskara. Variation 2. With Namaskar Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Place your palms beside your right feet and push your hip down. Drop your knee down. Left knee down. Chin up. You make sure your spine should be straight. Look front. Keep breathing and hold. 3, 2, 1. From here, take your right leg back and directly come in Chaturanga Dandasana. For Chaturanga Dandasana, come in first plank pose. In plank pose, your whole body should be in a line. Now bend your elbow, whole body weight on your palms, on your toes. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slightly move forward and raise your sternum up, chin up and push your pelvic down and forward. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, this is the Cobra pose. 4, 5. Exhale, from here jump forward, come in Mandukasana. In Mandukasana, knee should be wider and tuck your heels in. Now take your right leg back and take Namaskar Mudra. Anjani Namaskara variation 1. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. In Adhi Mudra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale, come in Samasthiti. Now again start second half round. Inhale, take your left leg forward and make a Adhi Mudra. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anjani Namaskara. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asya Sanchalanasana. Place your palms beside your left feet. Push your hip down and drop your knee down. Chin up. Look front. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Go for Chaturanga Dandasana. In Chaturanga Dandasana, take your left leg back. Whole body should be in a line. Bend your elbow. whole body weight on your palms and on your toes. Keep breathing and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slightly move forward, raise your sternum up, tuck your toe in, knee off the floor, chin up, look up. Keep breathing and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, jump forward in Mandukasana, heels in, and your palms should be shoulder distance apart, knees wider, and your spine should be straight, look front. This is the Manduka flow. Okay, now this time take your left leg back and join your palms in Namaskara and come in Anjani Namaskara variation 2. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3. Push your hip down more and more. 4, 5. Okay, Adhi Mudra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale, take your right leg back, come in Shama Sthiti. Okay, now start second round on the breathe and on the counting, fast and fast. Enjoy. I hope you're enjoying my session. Okay, let's go for second round. In Sama Sthiti, take your right leg forward, Adhi Mudra. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anjani Namaskara. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, come in Asha Sanchalanasana. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chaturanga Danda. Take your right leg back. Whole body should be in a line. Then bend your knee and come on your palms, on your toes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in Cobra pose. Knee off the floor, tuck your toe in. Sternum up more and more, chin up. Keep breathing and hold. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, jump forward in Mandukasana. Now, from here, come in Anjani Namaskara variation 2. Take your right leg back and join your palms in front of your chest. Hip down more and more. Keep breathing and hold. Feel the stretch on your thighs, on your back, hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Adhi Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, come in Sama Sthiti. Now start from left side. Take your left leg forward and hip down. Take Namaskar Mudra. 1, 2. Hold more and more longer. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, palms down, hip down more and more. Drop your right knee down, hip down, chin up. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Chaturanga Dandasana. Tuck your toe in. Bend your elbow. Come in Chaturanga Dandasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in Cobra pose. Raise your sternum up. Tuck your toe in, knee off the floor. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, jump forward, come in Mandukasana. Keep breathing and relax here in Mandukasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your left leg back, join your palms in Namaskara. Come in Anjani Namaskara variation 2. Keep breathing and hold. Push your hip down more and more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adhi Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, come in Sama Sthiti. Okay, relax for a few breathe. Take some couple of breathe and relax. On back of your mat, feet closer, palms down, shoulder down. Keep a smile on your face. Deep breathe in and complete breathe out. Now very slowly, deep breathe in and lift up your hands up on shoulder level only. Palm facing up and exhale. Then inhale, reach your arms up and join your palms in Namaskara. Interlace your finger, palm facing up. Exhale completely, then inhale, lift up your heels up more and more, make balance. Focus on a point and hold. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Separate your palm facing forward and heels down. Now inhale and exhale, lean forward, Try to touch your toes. Make sure your spine should be straight. Don't make curve. Look front. Keep breathing and hold. From here, drop your knee down. Release your toes outside. Touch your big toes. Heels outside and sit on your heels. Place your palms on your knee. Sit in Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, inhale. Reach your hands up. Take your hands closer to your. Sit in Vajrasana. Now take your hands closer to your navel. Right hand closer to your navel and left hand upon your right hand. Take deep breath in and lift up your hands up. Join your palms in Namaskara. Interlace your fingers, palms up. Inhale, this time chin up. Push your genital in more and more and hold more longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release, look front, separate your palm facing forward. Inhale and exhale, lean forward in Shashankasana. Drop your forearm down, forehead down. Keep breathing and relax here. Look front, inhale, slightly move forward. Straighten your hands, hold your palms tightly on the mat. Then inhale, slightly move forward. Move forward in Cobra pose. This time your toes should be outside and knee down. Look up, keep breathing and hold. Now go for twisting Cobra pose. Inhale and exhale, move right side and try to look your left heel. Keep breathing and hold. Inhale, move in center, then exhale, move left side and try to look your right heel. Inhale, move in center, then exhale, lie down on your abdomen, place your palms under your thighs. Inhale, lift up your both leg up and hold. Chin down, head in a center, chin down, keep breathing. This is the Salabhasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down, place your palms beside your chest. Inhale, come in Cobra pose. Then exhale, come in mountain. Tuck your toe in, hip up towards the ceiling. Take one step forward, try to touch your heels on the mat. Hip down, push your shoulder down, raise your hip up more and more towards the ceiling, towards the sky. From here, inhale, lift up your right leg up and exhale, bring it between your palms and drop your left knee down, join your palms, reach your arms up more and more. Release your toe outside, knee down and little arch back. Keep breathing and hold in half moon pose. Exhale, palms down, take your left leg forward, come in Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back, drop your right knee down, release your toe, join your palms, inhale, reach your arms up, come in half moon pose, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, palms down, come in mountain pose, tuck your toe in, then left leg back, take one step forward, try to touch your heels on the mat, push your shoulder down, hip up more and more, look between your knee, your head should be in between in shoulder. Keep breathing, engage your core and hold. Very good. Now drop your knee down, release your toes outside, sit back in Shashankasana, forehand down, forehead down. Inhale, reach your arms up. Then exhale, release your hands beside your thighs, tuck your toe in and come on your feet, make balance and bend your knee forward, raise your hand up, look between your palms, make sure your knee should be behind your toe, don't bend your knee forward, more forward, your knee should be behind your toe, hands up, hold in Utkatasana, keep breathing, keep a smile on your face, enjoy this pose, Utkatasana, hold. Very good. Now exhale, lean forward, try to touch your toes, look front, his spine should be straight. From here, inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back, then make fist, thumb in and make fist with Omkara chanting, flow your hands down with Omkara chanting. Om. After the practice of stretching and warm up and your asanas flow, now I start relaxation technique. Separate your feet hip distance apart. Take Chin Mudra. In Chin Mudra, touch your tip of first finger and your thumb. palms apart from your body, little chin up, keep a smile on your face, gently close your eyes. Take deep breath in and start 3 Omkara Pradodhani. Deep breathe in. Breathe in. Om Sarvam Shanti Shanti Shanti. Join your palms and slowly rub your palms. Create little heat, little energy, little friction between your palms. Keep close your eyes, cup your eyes and feel this energy on your forehead and on your eyes. Now slowly bring your palms down and gently open your eyes. Look at your palms. Namaste. All the very best. Have a nice day. Hey guys, it's a request to all of you. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next notification. I hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care.